What's up, everybody from YouTube and on social media? I got a prototype in today from my people over at Showchrome. Highway mounts for the Can-Am Ryker. Actually, these are just in production now. I don't know if they'll be available before or after I do the video, but what we're going to do is an unboxing, and then later I'm going to install them and ride around with them and let you know how I feel. But for now, let's do an unboxing and see what it looks like. Let's do an unboxing. See what we got here. See what we got here. These are the clamps that go around the frame. Let's take it out, see what we got. Take one of these bad boys out. Definitely a solid aluminum construction. Here we go. Right here is the peg. So these are going to clamp onto your frame. So we have a rubber grip here, solid aluminum construction. Comes with all the mounting hardware. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these bad boys, do a whole YouTube video, and then ride around with them and see how they look. They come with all the mounting instructions and looks like the screws and everything. I can tell you right now, you're going to need an Allen wrench. So this is what you're going to get from Showchrome. These are it. Check them out.